So we're at Waterloo Park today. This just opened a couple of weeks ago. It's been a project that's been 6 or 7 years in the making, and the park has really turned out beautifully. It's been a lot of hard work for a lot of folks, but the end product is spectacular.
Waterloo Park is the first park in the chain of Waller Creek that has opened. After the series of parks is built and open, it'll connect all the way up from Lady Bird Lake to 15th Street and allow continuous pedestrian and bicycle access and a lot of stuff for families and kids and visitors to do in Austin.
As WGI, we provided civil land development services here, so we did all the site plan permitting, did all the design from a utilities, drainage standpoint, partnered closely with the landscape architects on the project to help bring the landscape architect's vision for the park, the public space, to life and make sure it worked with all the city infrastructure.
The design team involved in Waterloo Park was vast. We had a lot of great team members involved, including Michael Van Valkenburg, MBVA, and Thomas Pfeiffer Architects out of New York, DWG, and then a host of other consultants. You know, there was probably 20 different consultants that worked on the project regularly over the 4 to 5 year development period that we were working on the project.
Revitalizing a space like this is always really fun. This park existed, but like I said, it was a little bit blasé. It was just kind of here. Wasn't really a crown jewel. And I think that the opportunity to take this and turn it into something, and all the partnership that went into that, is the kind of thing that stands the test of time for a really long time. There's going to be concerts here. There's going to be people hanging out here, having life moments here. We talk a lot as engineers about how buildings might come and go in 50 years, but parks like this are often forever.
The park was designed with a lot of sustainability included. The lawn in front of the stage has a rainwater cistern underneath it that collects the rainwater, that pumps it into the rain gardens, and also provides irrigation for the park. This park is designed to last, not just structurally, but in nature. A couple of heritage trees were moved to be maintained on site. Having these ancient live oak trees here for the community to enjoy is going to be a great thing to have over the years.
This park, to me personally, is going to always hold a special place. As an Austinite, this is sort of the quintessential Austinites park. You've got the opportunity for good street food. You've got the opportunity for live music. It really embraces the natural environment and the downtown setting and everything that makes Austin, Austin. And as the dad to 2 little kids, I can't wait to bring my family here some more and really enjoy some time outdoors in Austin.